Hi everybody, turn the volume up. This week is important. I want to talk to you about what happens when an employee decides to leave your business and compete against you. And then you suspect that they must have your customer information, contact details, and of course they know all your pricing. What are you supposed to do? I'm Melissa Malcolm, the teaching attorney, and it's my mission to keep small business owners like you safe. So when this happens, and I get these phone calls way too often, most business owners think, oh, I'm sunk, I don't have a non-compete contract with this person. Now, this is not about non-competes. If that's subject of a different video, and if you want that, you should invest in a good one for your business. But without having an employee contract, you are still protected because stealing your trade secrets is stealing. But I want you to know there are 4 simple things you can do to keep those trade secrets secret. What I see happen too often is a business owner comes to me and wants me to make this allegation, write a nasty lawyer letter on their behalf to get their former employee to stop it. And I'm happy to do that, but in order to do so, you need to be able to prove that you kept that information secret. Without that, they can find a lawyer to help them get out of this lawsuit. So, 4 things. First, think about your trade secrets. What is so valuable in your company that that's the information that makes you money? And without being told to really think through it, it's something that can just go undone. I get that. Think about it like your business checkbook. What information makes you money? And then treat it the same way you would treat your checkbook. You only have access if you need to have access. It's password protected. No one gets to take it home with them. And after someone leaves, you change the access and be sure you have all of that information back. Same thing. So you're going to think through what your trade secrets are. That's, a very complicated issue, but think about the things that you need to keep in-house to keep your people from competing against you. It's probably something that's a trade secret unless it's just out there known to the public. Label it. Label it as secret and confidential. Have your employees sign off on a confidentiality policy. I'm going to keep these things confidential. Confidential information stays confidential. We don't share it. We lose our edge if we do. Password protected. Have those computers have logins that change periodically. And make sure that the most sensitive information just can't be accessed by everyone in the company. You don't give everyone access to your checking account, and you shouldn't give access to your trade secrets to everyone that doesn't need them. One tip is if you have salesmen, give them a company cell phone and have sales calls go through that so that when they leave, they aren't taking that phone with them. Then, when employees leave, get that trade secret information back. Once they leave, it's the habit and practice of thinking through, this is what we gave them, this is what they may have copies of, and we're going to take it back and they're going to return it all to us. And just make it part of the exit interview process. Bring all that back, give us the copies, and then if you get in this habit, you'll be able to stand in front of a judge and say, yes, Your Honor, we labeled it as secret, we put it under a password, you had to have this particular access to get to it, we didn't let them take copies of it home. And yes, our former employees do not keep it at home unless they steal it from us. And if you've done those things, then you're in a much better position to have me or someone like me write a nasty lawyer letter to your former employee that's competing against you. I hope that's helpful. It's my mission to help small business owners have enough legal knowledge to be excellent savvy small business owners. And you need an employee, you need an attorney on your side. Your employees have plenty of attorneys on their side running TV ads all the time. So to help keep you safe, sign up for my email list, please. That will let you stay informed of all the tips and tricks like this or changes in the law as they come about. When you sign up, you're going to get a free resource about how to stop employee drama without being confrontational. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and give me a comment. That helps me so much. Until next time, protect your trade secrets like they're your checkbook, because really, they're the same. Bye.